Okay, so number 4. Number 4. Together, day and night, make up a period of 24 hours. 24 hours. It is sufficient for a man to sleep a third of this period. One more time. Together, day and night, make up a period of 24 hours. It is sufficient for a man to sleep a third of this period. 1/3. There is 8 hours. 8 hours. Number 7. Hilchot Talmud Torah. Rambam speaks of spending one's night in a study of the Torah. Okay, so as we said before.
Right.
So here he said, okay, 8 hours. This should be toward the end of the night. That's very interesting, right? So that there would be 8 hours from the beginning of the sleep until the sunrise. Thus, he should arise from the bed before sunrise. That's very interesting. Before sunrise. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do.
That's what you're trying to do now, like to get up before sunrise.
No. Actually, now because it's a summer, so it's harder thing to do. But basically, I'm not sure what time is sunrise.
I think it's like almost 5 a.m. or something.
No, I up before 5.
Yeah, I think you're fine. I think
I have to start.
That's as early.
Before 5.
Yeah, that's as early.
Okay, so continue. Number 8. It has been suggested that Rambam wishes a pre-sunrise awakening to allow for reciting the Shema, right? To end with sunrise. So start Shema before sunrise and then with the sunrise. Okay. Hilchot Kriyat Shema. All right, that's why he said wake up before the sunrise. Okay, so let's do a little more. So number 5, one should not sleep face down on his back. So somebody just asked me this question. I have a guy who is in a camp now, right? So he asked me, he texted me like very early. So he asked me if he should wake up somebody, right? A boy in his camp. He's sleeping on his back, right? I said, absolutely, what are you talking about? But okay, well, one should not sleep face down on his back, but on his side, on his left side at the beginning of the night. So I always try to remember, but I don't know, it never works. On his left side, beginning of the night. Huh?
You always try to remember what?
To start sleeping on the left side, to fall asleep. Like you always like turning and tossing from left to right. So
it's hard. It's difficult. I try to do it every night. It's just so hard. It's hard.
Okay, beginning of the night, and on the right side at the end of the night. One should not retire shortly after eating. That's see, that's the problem, especially on Friday night. Or the whole Shabbos is against it. Like after you ate, you will take a nap.
Summer, Shabbos is late. Yeah, Shabbos is late in the summer too. You know, in the winter it's like early, so you can. There's a lot of time before But yeah, it's hard. It's hard. But I've noticed that I have a lot of dreams if I eat late at night. Like right before bed, if I eat, like my dreams are like out of this world. Like I dream.
Yeah, it's not good, yeah, because they say that all of the blood goes from your head into the stomach to try to help to digest this food.
Yeah,
it's not. I mean, Rambam knows what he's talking about.
Yeah,
So let's do from the beginning. No. Let's finish up. He should not retire shortly after eating, but should wait some 3 or 4 hours. That's what I'm trying to do, like during the week. So, and it actually works perfectly.
Right.
So So, but only the only problem that I have is Shabbos, like, unfortunately. Okay. One should not sleep during the day. That's clear. Okay. I mean, when somebody is tired and stuff like that, or too tired and he has lack of sleep, there's a different story. But in general, it's not.
Yeah,
Shabbos is exception. That's it's enjoyment of Shabbos. But otherwise, it's not recommended. Number 9. Come to. So we said that one should not sleep face down or on his back. Number 9. Hilchot is Isurei Bia. Explain that these positions may cause sexual thoughts to be aroused. Right? It is a question was whether this is also the rationale for this advice being given here, or Rambam had other health reasons in mind. Maybe it's harder to breathe when he's sleeping on his stomach. Right? Maybe like and he put pressure on his like digestive system. That's my guess. Okay.